Alright, so we're at the auto auction here, and I noticed there's a couple of nice new trucks here, and I'm going to fire up this 250 Power Stroke. Figured why not? I don't know if it's got the key in it or not. Ooh, smells new. Whoa, this is a big truck. Alright, shut up. It's got 4.8 miles on, let's see. Oop, windshield wipers are on.
I can remember hearing it.
Let's see. Oh, now that's a powerful truck. Now that's a nice rig. Awesome. That's a nice truck. I wish I had the money for this one. See if we can fire it up again. Hopefully you guys can hear it a little better. I honestly wish I had whatever it's going to cost to buy this truck. This is a nice unit. Maybe I should just lease a truck. That's a nice rig. What's the towing on this thing? Let's see, gearing. It's not too bad. I would tow the trailer pretty good. Should we do an F-150? Let's do an F-150. I already fired up a few of these just because I like the smell of them. Just trying not to hit the other mirror. Yeah, runs pretty nice. What else I got to fire up? We fire up a nice new, well, not new, but a used Chevy Impala. Here's this thing. This thing's new. 4.1 miles. Not bad. I'm not a Chevy guy though. I really wish I had that Power Stroke. That'd be nice. That would be nice. I think I've already been down this way. Should fire up an Escalade. I always wanted to drive an Escalade. When I was a kid, I always wanted an Escalade. I wanted the EXV. Oh yeah, this is luxury. Wow, this thing sounds like a bag of shit. Holy shit. What the fuck? Wow. Somebody was pissed. Doesn't run all that great, I can tell you that. Is this a Ford Edge or something like that? Escape? Not bad. I don't know why, but I got this fetish about fresh car, new car smell. Yep, lost out on a 250 today, but actually almost got a F-150, but we lost out on that, so that sucked. I'm not really sure why there's new cars here. What is this? F350 V8 Triton. No thank you. Woo, that truck stinks. Alright, well I'm gonna get back to the auction. Saw 350 I want to bid on. Why not? Oh, the little F-150. I don't know why there's new vehicles here, I just don't get it. Holy cow, check this out. You know your Dodge is done when you have fucking a rust hole in the door. Holy shit. Yeah. That truck's done. That van's done, rather. Ooh. Somebody must have hit a deer. Is this plastic? What the hell? How the hell would you put a plastic bumper on a truck? Fucking gas-saving assholes. When you guys want it, I'll fire it up for you guys. It doesn't run too good. Alright, it was in the Dodge area. I ain't going back there. Ford Expedition Eddie Bauer. These are nice trucks. Got a little DVD player in it. It's pretty good. Ooh. Dually Chevy. This thing got a diesel in it. It's got a Duramax. We gotta fire this one up. Low plugs. Cycling. Duramax. Run smooth. Duramax. It's funny, my uncle had one of these a while back. Transmission went in it. Looks like somebody pissed in the seat. I ain't even going in. It's already in the RV section. Oh, there's a Dodge. Fired up a nice Cummins today. Fucking thing was brand new. Anyway, that's the life of an auction for you. We'll talk to you guys later on. Should we fire up the Dodge? No Dodge owner would want me to. 2500. Is this thing got the Cummins? Ah, damn it. Hemi. Oh, I fired this one up already. It's already in here. Awesome. Beautiful day.